Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. If you recently had an argument with your spouse, children, friend, or a co-worker, and now hunting ways to bring in peace, then you are at the right place. Discord, disagreement, and disharmony are prevalent in relationships today. It impacts our mental and emotional well-being. It is always important to heal hearts and rebuild a smooth relationship, forgetting and forgiving each other. Establishing peace among individuals in family or the friends circle is crucial. The intricacies of our hearts and love itself are creations delicately controlled by Allah. In the Quran, a verse from surah An-Anfal says, "Had you given away all the riches of the earth, you could not have joined their hearts, but it is Allah who joined their hearts. Indeed, He is Almighty, all-wise." While attending marriage communication classes, parenting workshops, or team-building retreats is beneficial, seeking divine guidance to unify hearts is essential. This verse recounts the story of the Aus and Khazraj tribes, once enemies in Yathrib, now Medina, whose hearts were united in love and brotherhood by Islam, despite their history of conflict. Allahumma allif baina qulubina, aslih zaata bainina. Wahdina subulas-salaam, najjina al-dhulumati ilan-nur. O Allah, reconcile between our hearts, and resolve our affairs, and guide us toward peace and paths of guidance, and take us out of the darkness into the light. If Allah could reconcile two warring tribes, He certainly has the power to bring friends, families, and communities together in harmony. Amen.